It's Dexter.
Luna!
It's Dexter Luna Chavo! Ah! Say hello, Miss Luna. Say hello to everybody out there. Oh, we're not going to do anything now? Really? I can't believe this dog. Any other time, she's playing with this ball and she's driving everybody nuts. She gets on camera and don't do anything. Dexter.
Oh, she's a good baby. Come on.
Yeah, she is. Dexter. Hey, buddy. What's going on? Yeah,
Oh,
now she goes. See?
She's afraid he's going to get the ball.
Yep, that's exactly it. And there's Miss Brenda. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, and there goes Miss Luna. Now you see this little runway we got here? That and around the kitchen. That's what this dog does, day in and day out. She does a good job of it, though. And they're off. Well, we still have an RV. That's the important thing. Yeah.
She moved the...
Yeah, I'm trying not to make everybody sick when I'm moving this camera. All right, YouTube. So what we got here is products called Liquishine. And this one is a black streak remover. And I ordered 2 things of everything. So we got a little bit of redundancy. We have a bug and tar remover. And we have a roof cleaner. Okay? And there's one more. I think I got that somewhere else. I don't think I have it in here. This is the roof cleaner, bug and tar, black streak. I think I got the wax on the other side. Let me go grab that real quick.
Liquishine cleaning. Sorry, I don't have the microphone on.
All right, so what we have is the black streak, like I said, the bug and tar roof cleaner that I'm not going to demonstrate today, and the wash and wax. So if you can see over on that slide, there's some black streaks. So let's try it out. They're not actually black, but it's going to get as close. There are streaks. Spray this on there, and it instantly comes off.
Oh, it smells pretty good too.
Actually, it does.
Yeah.
And there's some black streak-ish
Yep,
stuff.
there's some right under the window too.
Yep. And I'm not pushing very hard and it comes right off. And I'm telling you guys, this is amazing stuff. I'm really impressed with it.
They did a wonderful job making this.
Yeah, they did. And it took them over a year worth of going and doing their research and whatever just to get it right. All right, so I'm not going to clean the entire RV right now as much as I want to because I'm OCD like that. Once you start, you don't want to stop. But you get the idea. This stuff cleans and does what it says. And that's the Liquishine black streak remover. But let's go look at the bug and tar remover. I don't have a whole bunch of bugs and tar anywhere except for on the other. On the camera?
Yes.
Can you see those bugs on the camera?
I can see them.
There's like a bug there and a little bug there. So I'm gonna, squirt some stuff on there. Whew, get it off my face. All right. Let it kind of sit on there for just a second. And I'm just gonna wipe it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I mean, that's effortless right there. Look at that. That literally, oh, there's spider web. That really did the trick. All right, so there's that. I mean, this is nice feel to it as well. All right, so this is the bug and tar remover. Now I'm going to go with the wash and wax. Okay, 2 things with the wash and wax. You could use it on your videos, on your cars. You could use it on your RVs or whatever, but I highly recommend is do a really good wash of your vehicle and then fine tune it with this. Okay, and all right, so it's the same thing. This is the area that I just went over with the bug stuff, and like I said guys, you know, as dirty as this is right now, I would just take some some soap, a foamer, foam it down, scrub it down that way. And because I'm not saying this doesn't work, I'm saying it's expensive and it's in a bottle this big. The foam stuff is a cannon. You shoot the whole thing, you can scrub it down, you get 90% of what you want. But if you want to get that shine on it, this is what you're going to do. Put a couple squirts right there, and boom, now you got that shine. And I'm telling you what, I have used this. My son-in-law used it on his motorcycle, absolutely loves it. And this, what it does is it leaves a nice slick finish. Now here's my truck right here, and it's dirty, right? So I'm gonna hit one spot back here, and you see where it's at. This is the non-shiny part, and I'm just gonna go to the, make it one little spot shiny, and now I'm gonna mess up my entire truck now. Look at that. Amazing how this feels as compared to this. There's a big difference in the grime and whatever. So it says RV and auto, but I would say RV, auto, and motorcycle, because you can do all three with those. Amazing product. Thanks Matt and Will for coming out and developing these things. Like I said, I'm not going to get up there and do the roof thing yet. I don't need to. That's one, and usually I do that about twice a year, and it's not time to do it. It's just not, and I'm not going to get up there and scrub and do all this other stuff if I don't need to. But if these three products work the way they do and the way I've seen them work, I am sure that that part does. And when I go to use that roof cleaner, I'll show everybody. I'll take the phone up there, we'll squirt a spot, and you can see it, and hopefully you'll like the results. Good old sun tea right here. Sitting back and enjoying a nice beer in the Dallas Cowboy mug. And look at these two knuckleheads. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.